Our living environment is getting worse and is at risk of getting much worse in the future. Therefore, from today, let's join hands to plant and protect trees. A sad reality is that trees in forests are being destroyed to make fields and make homes for people. The lack of trees has a huge impact on human life, ecological imbalance, frequent erosion and landslides, increased environmental pollution, loss of habitat for wildlife, etc. Trees play an extremely important role in human life. They clean the atmosphere, regulate the air on Earth, and provide oxygen for humans. In addition, trees filter dust in the air, giving people a clean, cool atmosphere. In addition, they also have the ability to prevent erosion and landslides, especially in mountainous areas and hills with steep slopes, where natural disasters and floods often occur. Trees also play an important role in improving the soil, loosening it, keeping the surface moist enough, retaining water and other nutrients in the ground, and providing people with food, along with a rich and diverse source of fiber. Trees also provide a large amount of materials such as wood, bamboo, and rattan for the construction, interior, and paper industries for our use. Given the great roles and values that trees bring, each individual should now take practical actions to protect trees and protect the forest environment. Actively plant trees and create forests. The state also needs to promote propaganda about the benefits of trees, encourage people to plant trees, improve the living environment, and at the same time strictly handle violations, destroy trees, and destroy the forest environment. Each person joins in a small action of planting and protecting trees will help improve the quality and living environment of people and will be better in the future. Live and aim for long-term benefits and protect the environment today.